Hi guys, Beast Mode Reviews here. Welcome back to another video with me, and this is another Pepper X based sauce from Pucker Butt Pepper Company. So on the front here you can see it's a 4 out of 5 heat rating, and I've got Gator sauce here which I've been really enjoying. This is also Pepper X based to compare it to. Now this one is the extra hot red version, and I think I gave this an 8 out of 10 for heat for the average person. For me, it's probably lower down. It's probably about 6, but it's still a blisteringly hot sauce for a natural base sauce. Now, anyway, it says on here, a smooth but intense Pepper X blend infused with the highest quality peppers. It's green and the kick is hillbilly mean. The Pucker Butt Pepper Company's goal is to provide customers with the healthiest and best tasting pepper products. Right, okay, so for the ingredients, it is just hot pepper mash, which is in brackets green chili peppers and vinegar, distilled vinegar, onions and garlic. Now this is definitely the Pepper X variant. It's got the red on the top here. It doesn't actually say Pepper X, which is really strange. Oh, it does on the side here, what that I just read to you, but in the ingredients it doesn't say Pepper X at all. Anyway, so shake well and let's give it a go to see how hot this sauce is. So yeah, it's good that we've been able to get these recently. I've been finding them on Amazon. As in the UK, they're harder to get hold of, but they're still, you know, really expensive for what they are. So here we go. But yeah, I highly rate the Gator sauce. I literally tried that on a full tablespoon and it did overwhelm me a little bit. It was just a really potent mix that gave me an endorphin rush. And I felt like I was separating from my body. I tried some extract sauce afterwards, and the heat on that was probably slightly more painful, but it didn't do that effect. So maybe it's something that Pepper X does. But anyway, it's open, so let's give it a smell. So, oh, it does smell very strongly of Pepper X. It's more mild than the Gator sauce. Yeah, that's like I think you can smell like onions and garlic in there, yeah, blending with the Pepper X. Less vinegary, but the Pepper X smell is persistent. And this one is actually more muted in smell. This has got a stronger smell to it. Right, here we go. So yeah, it does smell strongly of Pepper X, and oh wow, yeah, that's quite thin, but it's thin, but it's chunky, or I guess it's so that's quite a chunky sauce, but it's also runny, so it's very natural looking. You can see it's got the classic Pepper X yellow color to it, yellow green. All right guys, here we go. 3 2 1. Oh, that's a strong citric hit up front. Heat's just starting to come now. Oh, wow, that's quite spicy. It's very citric. It's even more citric than the Gator sauce, which I didn't expect. The burn's building at the back of the throat. It's classic Pepper X sort of burn that's coming at the back of the throat. That citrusy hit persists all the way through it, which is very strange. I'm guessing it's something to do with the Pepper X. It's got citrus notes to it. There's definitely floral notes here as well. That is a hot sauce for a natural base sauce. The burn hits you almost immediately, which is very strange. And yeah, it's hit me in the back of the throat. Really starting to burn. Still building. Now, I'm not doing this in a tablespoon. I'm doing this with a teaspoon because normally I would hit it with a tablespoon and it may skew the ratings a little bit. I've realised that I'm giving these about 8s out of 10s for the average person. For me, this is probably a 7, I would say right now. It's probably hitting about a 7 range. My eyes are starting to feel a little bit watery. It's tolerable, but it's absolutely on fire at the back of my throat. Quite a vicious burn to it, and obviously I've got the Gator sauce here to compare to, but this doesn't seem that much different from the Gator sauce. The citric hit's more overwhelming when it hits you at the start. It's definitely got more of a stronger flavour. Yeah, that classic Pepper X burn has hit me in the back of the throat. It's really nice. It's hot as well. It's very hot. That is probably, I want to say an 8.5 out of 10 for flavour. Yeah, highly recommend that. That's really, really nice. It's still burning in the back of my throat, but it's just staying consistent. Now, let's compare it to a little bit of Gator sauce and just see what that compares to. I'm not going to do a full tablespoon of this. This is plenty. This sauce seems a bit thicker and more orangey. But they all have this kind of yellowish orange look to them, these Pepper X sauces, as you can see. So, comparatively, that's citric and floral. The mean green one overpowers that in flavour. It makes this one taste kind of muted. It's got a more mild taste to it. In terms of heat, they're both pretty similar. I think I give that an 8 out of 10. I think this would be pretty much the same. And about an 8 out of 10 for the average person. For me, it's going to be I'd say probably a 7. It might be a 6. It depends, because you see, when you have it in a smaller amount like that, it's not hitting me as much. It's just a lot of burning at the back of the throat. But where I've done them in tablespoons, it's tickly, it just seems to floor you a little bit more. Right, guys, I think that's going to be it for this review. This was a very good chili sauce, and yeah, I really enjoy these Pepper X products. So that's the mean green pucker butt sauce, and yeah, the burn's still going, as you can see. It's tolerable. So right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.